You've been eating sushi your whole life, but are you doing it wrong? From the $500 omakase experience to the secret history of the California roll, we're breaking down the rice, the fish, and the ultimate etiquette. Stop drowning your ginger in soy sauce. This is every sushi explained. In the world of sushi, nigiri is the ultimate test of quality. There are no heavy sauces or fried toppings to hide behind. Just two ingredients, vinegared rice and pristine seafood. A true master spends years learning how to slice the fish at the perfect angle to ensure it melts on the tongue. Then there's sashimi. This is sushi in its rawest, most naked form. No rice, no distractions. It's all about the fatty tuna, otoro, or the buttery yellowtail. When you eat sashimi, you aren't just eating fish, you're experiencing the ocean's terroir. To eat it like a pro, never dip the rice into the soy sauce, only the fish. It's a delicate balance of temperature and texture that defines Japanese culinary philosophy. Respect the ingredient above all else. While nigiri is about tradition, the roll is about creativity. It started with the California roll, an inside-out creation designed to hide the seaweed from Americans who weren't used to it. Today, uramaki, rice on the outside, has become a global phenomenon. From the dragon roll topped with eel and avocado to the spicy tuna with its kick of sriracha mayo, rolls are a playground of textures. We're talking about crunchy tempura flakes, creamy cream cheese, and sweet unagi sauce. It's the perfect entry point for anyone intimidated by raw fish. It's colorful, it's loud, and it proves that sushi can be as much of a comfort food as a burger or a slice of pizza. If you want the peak sushi experience, you order omakase. In Japanese, it literally means I leave it to you. You're putting your meal entirely in the hands of the chef. No menu, no choices, just a choreographed sequence of 10 to 20 pieces, served one by one at the exact moment they are prepared. The chef watches how you eat, adjusts the seasoning for each bite, and selects the freshest catch from the market that morning. It can range from a simple piece of squid with a drop of lime to a decadent piece of uni, sea urchin, that tastes like a salty cloud. It's expensive, it's intimate, and it's the final boss of the culinary world. It's not just a dinner, it's a performance where the chef and the guest are in perfect sync.